Jet life to the next life. Now let me take you back to a time of replacement, where your life is made up of a basement. That's why I look at your life and say, well, that's not adjacent. Even when I shine in my life, I say that's complacent. People look at me in amazement. Tell me how far I am, G, that's a statement. Cause I gotta make sailing, that's given its importance. When it sails, stocks, habitation leaves them lost and unhumbled. You can tell by the way they vacation. They're listening into my station. Hit record on the cameras every time I'm in the limelight. I've shifted to the pictures. Make sure it's easy when you stacking bills. Like my times tables, I'm packing meals. Blowing kisses to honey. I know my flow is macking funny, but you already know it's through the telly. I make it cool whip like I'm ready. You know this divine when I'm cooking swords. Always pay the rapture, Honda Accords. I got all they need and more. It's a shower bath. Hit me with some easy math. Oh, this is my path. Driving like the Space Jam at the hourglass when I throw this pass. It's the elixir, not the fixer, that makes you mixer to a finer blizzard. Just erupts like a fizzle whirl. Look at the rainbow, all you boys and girls. Notice all the swirls for the pearls. That's how we elevate. Good Samaritan man. I could hit you with the Wizard of Oz fan, but you know it's a by the boss. Talent over speaking, that's why they souls is oversleeping. In a common collaboration, the same way we met annihilation. Who saw escalation? Not my expectation. Buzzing cousin, that's just the way I does it. Never foil the plot. That's just how I was taught through the palette. It's like the same kind of wallet. Finish off with my Jets brawn on me, sitting in some Louis Vuitton. That's why we born our creation yawn. Open my book, it's never ripped torn. Get it back together in Great England. All countries over stricken. Stay painless, printed in an oven like we gritted. Fun till we fitted, now we tatted on the back seat. Then and out a track meet, in and outs, pulling feather like I getting in and outs. $1 million dreams, yeah they coming. $1 million hustling, yeah he's funny. Funding the levels of extravagant, that's how we be on traveling.